How to create Skool community funnel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Skool and how you can create a community funnel on Skool in the easiest and most simplest way. So, to start things off, if you want to create a community funnel, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come over to your community page. So from the community section, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the classroom section over here. You're going to create a new course. So let's say I'm going to give this course a random name. Let's give it a random description. And once we're done with all of that, we're going to click on add. Now, once we click on add, what it's going to do is it's going to bring us to a new page. So I'm going to open up this new page. And now you can go ahead and start creating funnels over here. So the funnels can be created in different ways and methods. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add some type of resource link or resource file, which could be a funnel. And you can create funnels through different ways. So you can go to System.io and create funnels, or you can go to any other website, but I would definitely recommend System.io because it has the greatest sales funnels. So create a funnel, add the resource link to this place, and that is how you can create your Skool community funnels in the easiest way.